Hello everyone, welcome to another video by the Ancient Trader. Today is the 29th of July. So the August series has started with a very positive note, and also just now the HDFC results has come and it looks good, and that is what it is taking the market around 17,150. No one sort of expected this kind of a rally, because in 3 days you see the market has gone from 16,500 to 17,140, 150. So that's roughly around a 650 point rally, and it was the same also here, that there was a rally of 16,000 to 16,600, so 600 point rally, and then there was a consolidation. So I'm sort of expecting something similar. The market should be ranging between 17,400 now, or going a little bit above. So the markets are looking very bullish, and the VIX is still dropping again continuously. Regarding my strategy, currently just going through what was my strategy before. This is what the strategy I had. So basically I had 17,400 and 1,600. Then later I moved on to 16,200, and now I moved to 16,400. So I did couple of few changes over here in the morning. If we look into the order book, we see that 17,400, I exited at 31, which I entered at around what was the price, at around 12 rupees, and now I exited at 31. Then I entered into 17,500 just to be on the safer side, as the market is in a bullish mode. So what I did was I closed 17,000 PE buy and moved to 17,400, because just for the reason that this will erode in value in few days, and in case of the market goes down, this won't be higher. So I'm just delta matching with the value for the CE buy, which I use it as a hedge. So as you can see, with the hedge I bought it at 326, and now it has gone to 519. So this has given me profits, and this has given me loss. So cumulatively I'm buying using the hedges at neutral, and only the losses is coming from the 17,400. So if I look at the strategy as of now for 40 lots, it looks like I have a loss of 15,840, which is around 0.4%. Previously, when I saw the market during the opening hours, this was around like 35,000, and after I move some of this to 16,400, I have gained 7,300, and it helped me from moving from 17,400 to 17,500. The reason is that you can see that 17,400 would have given me a loss of additional 2,500, and moving to 17,500 I saved 2,000 for 10 lots. So it means that I have saved around 8,000 over here and added around 7,000 over here. So that's a 15,000 reduction from the market opening. So this has been a very good way of handling this. So currently the markets are still going up. Having a looking at the open interest, I see that 17,000 puts as the highest open interest, and the calls have been added and shorted. So I'm assuming that market would consolidate or even move higher towards 17,400. So there is a straddle created at 17,100, and it could be a matter of time. This could be taken out by the people if they think that things have turned really bullish. One of the reasons could be that the India made a statement that the chances of going into recession is quite low compared to other countries. That's the reason you see a lot of puts being written even on the monthly series, that now you can see straddle at 17,000. So I'm expecting the markets to range around here between 17,500 by the time of expiry. So I would be, if I maintain the similar position and go back to Monday, so this is what would happen. I have a break even at 17,257, and if the market goes at around 17,400 assuming, then I would have a loss of roughly around 33,000 again, which is like twice the amount of it and 1% of it. I would say that I need to call it quits on my positioning if I reach a position risk of 2%. So assuming that this would be where it is, and roughly 2.6% on the downside, I do not have any loss. I would plan to move this towards maybe 16,500 or 16,600, taking that the market is reaching around 17,200. So I might be shifting towards this range now, and the reason to do this is that 17,500 is roughly around now it's roughly around, how much is this, 21. So this would be the kind of move I would be doing, this would be the kind of move I would be doing to gain some more traction and meet the delta matching. So this is what I would do, and if I do this, this is what my trades would look like. Yes, so this would be 5.85. So this would be 5.85, and 16,600 P. So that's 40 lots. So the downside is 3.4% and the upside is only 2%. I'm hoping that market would stabilize, and if this is the case, and on the Monday I see that now it is 17,300, and if market reaches 17,350, my losses is 15,000. I have reduced by half, and then the lower side I don't see a loss of 1.3%, and if I need to have similar loss, I need to, market should break below 17,000, which I really doubt. So this looks like a good trade for me, and it's around 15 minutes to the close. So I would go ahead and do these changes on my market, and yeah, this would look good. And in case if the market is sustaining around 17,300 on the Monday, I would still move the 17,500 for a safety level and try to come out with minimum profits of 10-15k, which should be quite good enough for me. So I'm just going to change this quickly. So from 16,400 to 16,600, this would be one of it, and also over here I would do the same. So this has been a week where I need to work a bit for my profits, but so far we have managed good, considering that we are able to do less than 1% losses. So yeah, maybe I do not have sufficient funds to do this, so I have a shortage of another few thousand. So I will do 1350. Right, I will try to do this later, and thank you all for having a look at it. Bye.